कुर्यात् स्वस्ति न इंद्रो दशरवाः गम्यातितो आद्य दिवसे हे आद्य दिवसे काय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव श्रीमन् महाकालाभ्या अतो धर्माणि दार्यन्न तेना हे प्रमाणेन पुण्यं पुण्याहं दीर्घमायुरस्सु प्रवन्तो प्रवन्तो तेना हे प्रमाणेन पुण्यं पुण्याहं दीर्घ आपके माते तेना हे प्रमाणेन पुण्यं पुण्याहं दीर्घमायुरस्सु ब्राह्मणा नामस्य अक्षदान् दद्यात् तेषु आशिष मंत्र पठे ओम केतवे नमः केतुमवायामि स्थापयामि ओम पूर्वे इंद्रावधानयस्व समानयस्व ब्रह्मणे नमः नैवेद्यं समर्पय हस्तमुख प्रक्षालं समर्पयामि रुद्र समित्र सामग्रीतं वायुतं सूर्यसं चन्द्रमासं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः स्वरगणाधिं गुरुमुच्चार्य वर्णाधिं अनुसार वर्तरार्धे तुलसीतं तारेण उर्जितं गणकरोचि नीचरत गायत्री चंदा गणपति देवता ओम गं गणपते नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्रसं पाशं प्रदारणं रुदं जोर्दमस्य पुराणं मोक्ष रक्तं लंबोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवासं रक्तगन्धां नेत्राज्यं रक्तपुष्पे नानाविध परिमलद्रव्यं समर्पयामि द्वारस्थ महागणपती देवताय नमः प्रार्थना पूर्वक नमस्करोमि आपलं शुभम वास्तू म्हणायचं आणि दोघांनी उजवा पाय आतमध्ये टाकायचा राईट शुभम वासो देव शांती रे दे शांती हे पृथ्वी शांती राहा शांती ओकदया शांती वनस्पतया शांती विश्वे देवा शांती ब्रह्म शांती विश्वे देवा शांती ब्रह्म शांती हे सर्व शांती हे शांती देव शांती यतो यगा प्रियसे ततो न अभयं गुरु दत्ता गुरु प्रजाभ्यो वरिष्ठः वशुभ्यासु शान्तिर्भवतु
The office space, it's very spacious and we have different sections for different team activities. We have agile room, then we have other meeting rooms, so that is very nice about this place. And talking about the view, it's like we have natural light coming, so it's refreshing for us as well. Yes, it's like more spacious, more team can come and we can collaborate, and also we'll have more conversations. Okay, so the favorite spot is my that lounge that we sit and yeah, we have tea and chats. So yeah,
it is really good. I like the openness, the desk. There is no cubicle, and all the everyone is open. We can see each other very clearly and very spacious. I like it, and the look and feel in this office. These comments, all these things is really great.
I'm enjoying the new office and the environment here is quite supportive and it is quite good. I'm feeling nice here. It is quite fresh and spacious also, and the decoration is quite good. So it is joyful environment actually.
This conference room, it is different. It is different apart from other conference rooms. So it is not just about the what we can say work. So the look is quite different. So the things will come out of our minds very quickly. So the office space looks happening, so we don't need to sit at one place and do our work. So we can roam around, we can take our laptop with us anywhere, and we can work from anywhere in this office.
I think like the decoration is too good. The wallpapers are also like really engaging and good. Open space feels nice, and the view which we get from that windows are also really good. It's refresh our mind. Really, it's a bit collaborative.
When I walked into this office, it was a fresh feeling. I am seeing a lot of greenery outside. There is a lot of light here, and it is full of excitement. It is totally a fresh experience, and I really enjoying it.
About the new office, I think it is great. The interior is great. The vibe is also like very nice. It's like new. It's not like the old office. It was small, but this one, I think it's a bigger office, and the people are also here, so it's great. My favorite spot is right here, for the tea and coffee. So I think that is a great place with a great view of the city. So it's great.
In our earlier workspace, it was little bit congested and the lighting was all artificial. But now we have natural lighting, which gives like a mood to work. And even if we want to just see someone, we just have to raise our head and we just need a eye contact. That's all. But in earlier, it all were cabins. So yeah, this is pretty good space for good work and everything.
Yeah, so as it is spacious, right? So if you want to interact with anyone, you get to sit in one place, right? Earlier it used to be like there used to be separate rooms because everyone used to not fit in one room. So they used to take on these different cabins, and then we used to half of the people used to sit in one place and half used to sit in others. So then if we had to interact, we had to switch between rooms to interact. So now since the space is big, everyone gets to sit in one place, and then collaboration is also better. So yeah, it's a good thing that we've got to work in such spacious office. Yeah.
The moment I entered, it's like the vibe entirely changed. Like the way we had earlier, like old the entire the posters we have put here, and the motto of the touchscreen system is being clear. And I like about it's being at 9th floor, and it's being you can see the high skies there, and the chairs and all these are really
infrastructure is very nice, and we have positive vibes here. Office has good enough amount of cabins, and most thing is we have different agile rooms where we can discuss the things.
I mostly like in the office when I came first. So I like this sit out area where all the tables and the chairs are put down. So we can whenever we have a tea break, we come to the sit out area and we will
sit together and chit chat.
Yeah,
we will do chit chat.
Chai pe charcha, and we love the outside. Whatever the most beautiful part about this office is outside the office. Yes, the view outside the office.
And we are on the top floor, so we can see anything.
Everything.
Top of the world.
Personally, my favorite area is the view from that window, because there are mountains and other buildings as well.
Yes.
So that is the best one.
And the greenery as well.
Yeah, greenery as well.
And I think we are very open. Everybody we can access. There is no cubicle or there is no partition. We can just see everyone. We can just chit chat to everyone if you want to. There is no obstacle between us.
We can sit together. We can sit together here.
We can sit together. We can discuss. There is no obstacle basically.